In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple clips in Lightworks. If you're editing in Lightworks, being able to select more than one clip at a time will save you a lot of time and help keep your timeline organized. You might use this to move a group of shots together, delete a chunk you don't need, or apply the same adjustment to several clips at once. The process is simple, and once you've done it a couple of times, it will feel second nature. Start by opening Lightworks and navigating to the area where your clips are visible, either in your timeline or in a bin. Make sure you can see the clips you want to work with. Lightworks highlights selected items, so it's easy to tell what's active before you make a change. The fastest way to select everything you see is with a single shortcut. Press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all clips in the current view. This instantly grabs every clip in that panel so you can move, trim, or delete them together. If you're on Mac OS, use Command+A. It works the same way. Before you make any big moves with a full selection, glance over the highlighted clips so you're confident you're affecting exactly what you intend. If you only need certain clips, you can handpick them. Hold the Control key while you click the clips you want. Each click adds that clip to your selection without losing the others you've already chosen. Keep Control held down as you continue clicking to build your selection set. On macOS, hold the Command key instead. This approach gives you precise control, perfect for when you want to skip over a few clips or mix clips from different parts of a bin or section of the timeline. As you select, watch for the visual highlight indicating which clips are active. That highlight is your confirmation before you perform any action. If you realize you've included one clip by mistake, simply click it again while holding Control to toggle it off, and continue selecting the ones you need. Once your selection looks right, you're done. From here, you can move the selected clips together, delete them in one go, or apply the same effect or adjustment across the group. The key is choosing the selection method that matches your goal. Use Ctrl+A when you truly want everything in view, and use Control while clicking for targeted selections that give you granular control. That's all there is to it. With these two simple techniques, selecting multiple clips in Lightworks becomes quick, reliable, and efficient